Darwin's evolution got it wrong. The question of man's first appearance on the planet has much interest as it is shrouded by a mystery of the unknown. For many years, the Bible story of God walking in the garden, taking a slime of the earth, molding the man-like form and breathing life into its nostrils, was enough to feed the curiosity about man's birth. As early as the 4th century, before the current era, natural scientists in Mesopotamia, Egypt, and China had the idea equal to the theory of spontaneous generation that living forms first arise from non-living matter. This was a position of no less than Aristotle, the founder of the science of biology. Aristotle observed organisms rising from nowhere, such as insects from rotting meat and frogs from the muddy soil. But this theory of spontaneous generation was discredited by Louis Pasteur and modern scientists since the 19th century. Modern science proposed that organic life can only come from other living forms, and this through asexual and sexual reproduction. But if life did come from living forms, the question remains, where did the first living forms arise? Modern biologists do not admit that the earth germinated the flora of plant life from its soil. The first plants formed spores from freshwater algae that filled the surface of the earth. The weeds, plants, trees, similar to what we see today. But in the case of animals or fauna, it has been more difficult for scientists to see the Earth's crust generating ovules or eggs of the animal species. Thus, modern scientists object to a spontaneous generation of animal life from non-organic matter. But again, the question is unanswered. How did the first animal organisms arise? The 18th century scientist Carl Linnaeus did not accept evolution, as there is no evidence of lower to higher species change, and for him, each species is unique. Cats don't reproduce dogs. Cows do not breed elephants. Man was not born from the womb of an ape, but from the womb of the planet we call Mother Earth. The poetry of the earth is never dead. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth.